flash flood warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rain that will lead to flash flooding. Doppler radar estimates up to 1 1/2 inch of rain has fallen in the area over the last 45 minutes. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to portions of East Mesa, Falcon Field Airport, Mountain View Park. Most flood deaths occur in motorized vehicles.